Hi, and welcome back to Musicians Edition Practice with me for Flute. I'm your teacher, Risa, and today we're working in the Rubank Advanced Series Volume 1. Still working on the scales section. We're on page 15 today, continuing on with the G minor scale. What's nice about the G minor scale, it's a very comfortable key signature. We got our two flats, B flat and E flat. Key signature we all love. The only thing that's gonna feel a little different, or we're gonna get used to, as you can see, we're gonna have a lot of E naturals written in as accidentals and F sharps. So even though we're playing with E natural and F sharp, that still feels very comfortable with F. It's gonna feel like we're playing F major, okay? But just starting on G. All right. So let's go ahead and start with 52. Like I said, our key signature has two flats, the B flat, the E flat. We are in 3/4. We'll take this nice and slow because remember, it's going to be your job to work on speed. We're just going to make sure that we get it down. All right, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, excellent job. So, first off, hopefully you remember to do the proper articulations. Da, 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 da. Okay, we do have a little bit of slurs in here, so make sure you're doing that. Going up, that's where we have the naturals and the sharps. Coming down, we're taking it what the key signature actually is, taking it to E flat and F natural. Okay, now here's a spot that throws a lot of people off. Last measure. When we're coming down, B, A, G, G, you stay on that same note. A lot of people have a tendency to continue on, which would put them down at C. This ends at D. So the G is repeated. So you might need to mark that in if you missed it, okay? A lot of people do. So I haven't marked it here, so I wouldn't forget, okay? And then the last thing, we have our dynamics of going up and then kind of coming back and up and coming back. We have it marked for simile, but it kind of naturally does that as we go up. The scale kind of gets louder anyway. So let's do it one more time, still at this slower speed. I want you to speed it up even faster on your own time with the metronome. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Alrighty, excellent job. So like I said, continue to practice that one and speed it up.
This lesson is brought to you by the Musicians Edition practice book. Make goals and keep track of progress throughout the whole year. When you're done with this video lesson, don't forget to mark this practice time in your Musicians Edition practice book. Now back to the video.
All right, let's go ahead and take a look at 53. All right. Looks like a lot. It helps that we've kind of done these exercises over and over and over, right? So we know it's just, we'll go on it slow now, and then we'll speed it up later, okay? So just watch our accidentals here. It's the same kind of thing where we have the changing it to E natural, F sharp going up, and then coming down, we're taking it to what's actually in the key signature. All right, let's go ahead and give this a try. Nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, excellent job. That one might need to take a little bit of time to even slow down, even just from that, to kind of pay attention to what is sharp, what's natural, what's flat. It can be very overwhelming. So we'll take a look at it, but then I'll let you practice it on your own, okay? So one that gets missed a lot here is on that second line, all right? We're back to E natural, okay? So after that run, a lot of people want to do back to E flat because we just came from E flat, but it's not. So make sure you practice that transition there, okay? We go all the way to high A on that last note on that last line, starting on the G. And then what throws a lot of people off too is the very last line, second measure, that E. For some reason, we're still kind of thinking E naturals. So just remember, it's E flat coming down, E naturals going up. All right, so really take your time with that. Take it note by note, even if you need to. If it helps you to tongue it all first, then add in the slur. Just make sure that before you call it good, you put those articulations back in. All right, let's go ahead and move on. 54, working in thirds. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, excellent job. Hopefully that one feels a lot more comfortable working in those thirds. This is when you definitely want to practice faster even. This will help a lot with those fast passages, okay? So work on that one for speed. That's as far as we're gonna go. Same thing going up. We have E naturals and F sharps. Coming down, Fs are back to natural, Es are flat. All right, let's take a look at 55, common chord. This one, we can see that there are no accidentals in, so woo, we can relax. Our time signature has changed to what though? 6/8 time, but this one is not that bad for 6/8, and we've been doing it over and over with different scales. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna count us in for 1, 2, 1, 2, and then we'll come in. All right, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, excellent job. Hopefully that one felt pretty comfortable too, especially with everything being as marked, no crazy accidentals. It's not crazy fast, it's not 16ths, we're tonguing the whole thing. Makes it so much easier, it's just nice and consistent. All right, but I still want you to work on speed for that one. So keep practicing it, make it even faster. All right, now we're on to 56, the diminished 7th, okay? So we still have our standard key signature, but we do have F sharps marked in this one, so just keep that in mind. Alrighty, here we go. Ready? And back to 4/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, excellent job. So if anything threw you off, it just might have been where some of those sharps are. So measure 2, it's marked in for F sharp. But don't forget the F right after that A is also sharp. So if you missed it, marked it in. If you're missing those E's, because all previously throughout this whole page, we've been doing E natural with F sharp. And this one, we still have the E flat. So that might have thrown you off too. So if you did miss the E, mark that flat in. Okay, and then second to last measure, of course, we have the F sharp marked in, but don't forget that F sharp last in that same measure, right? Because it's in the same measure. All right, so just make sure you have those all in. And other than that, I think you got it. Keep practicing it and then work on that speed. Get it fast. All right, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know down in the comments. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit like, notify, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our practices. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you next time.